Alright, we're here at Dillard's at the Brandon Exchange Mall here in Brandon, Florida, which is just outside Tampa. And we have a Montgomery elevator to ride with Older Innovation Universal. Take up to 2. Here I'm on the second floor. Back down to 1, door closing when you push the button. That chime sounds pathetic. Here we're back at 1. One more time to 2. And listen to the motor one more time. Sits for a couple seconds before it starts moving. Unfortunately, this thing is slightly low in oil. It doesn't run all that great. Now I'll go back down to 1 and end the video. Even the gear is kind of glitchy. Overall, not the greatest elevator for a Dillard store. And that'll be it.